Hey everybody. Okay, so there's still a little bit of confusion over the Khan Academy. I said at the last video I uploaded, I said that I can't really show you what it looks like on your end because it's a student screen. So what I did was I went and I made a student account, I linked it up with my account, and I created a couple of assignments, okay? Now, if you are ever confused over whether you're missing something for Khan Academy or not, this is how you can always do it. You can visit Khan Academy and sign in. Okay, so as you can see, the name I made up was the real Mr. Obermiller. Okay, and this is what the student page will look like. Okay, now sometimes you'll have a couple of different things, but on the right you'll always have the same thing. Over here I said on the right you have practice, assignments, my stuff, courses. Okay, assignments is where anything is. If you click on assignments, this will come up right here. These are the things that I have assigned for you to do. Now, you can tell on this one, because this is a play button, that means that this is a video, and since this has a star next to it, this is practice, okay? So that's going to be a quiz. If you don't watch the video completely, it will not mark it as done. Okay, so on my end it will just say 0, and then that's what you'll get because you didn't watch the whole video, even if you know how to do it. So this is rewriting decimals as fractions. Okay, well, I know how to rewrite decimals as fractions, but if I want to know, if I want to get credit for it, I'm going to watch the video completely. And I can show you quickly, even if I skip through it. So I start playing, and then it was here, and I say, oh yeah, I know how to do that, literally, yep, okay, good, here we go, and in the end, okay, alright, and then I can say, see, I did it. Now, when I go back here, look, it still says it's not done. It's because I didn't watch the video. Some of you may say, there's nothing here in active. Well, if it's a past assignment, it's going to be in past, okay? So, after you'll see, right over here, it says the due date for this is tomorrow at 11:59 p.m. After tomorrow at 11:59 p.m., these will no longer be under active, but they will still be under past, and you can still do them and still get full credit for them, okay? I just wanted to put the due dates on there so that way you had an idea of, if you were keeping up with everything, of when things were due, all right? Hopefully this clears up all the questions with Khan Academy. You don't have to go through, if you know you have Khan Academy assignments, you don't even have to click on the links in Classroom. You can go right to Khan Academy and all of your assignments will be right in here under practice, assignments, and your assignments. Those of you who are still missing Khan Academy assignments, go to practice, assignments, and click on past, and then it'll all be in here, okay? And it'll show you anything that you haven't done yet, or if you did it, it'll show you what grade you got. The other thing is, too, on the practice, I said this on the last video, you can do them as many times as you want. So if you're not happy with your grade, you can do it again, all right? Email me if you have any questions.